Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A Zimbabwean businesswoman and a philanthropist Zodwa Mkandla has extended support to vulnerable communities in Matabeleland North through her foundation. The Zodwa Mkandla Foundation, in partnership with Amlonde Sanitary Pads, donated a consignment of blankets, wheelchairs and sanitary wear in the Sojini area near Mbembesi, Umkuza district. The donated items address three key challenges in rural communities. Firstly, blankets to assist families during the winter season when temperatures in Matabeleland can drop significantly. The wheelchairs to aid mobility for persons with disabilities, improving access to schools, clinics and community life. The sanitary wear to combat period poverty among girls and women, helping reduce school absenteeism linked to lack of menstrual products. Umkuza district, located in Matabeleland North Province, is largely rural. Sojini and Mbembesi are communal areas where access to assistive devices and hygiene products is often limited. Mkandla, founder of Traverse Travel and several other ventures, runs the Zodwa Mkandla Foundation as a primary philanthropic vehicle. The foundation regularly conducts outreaches focused on health, disability support, education, and women's empowerment across Zimbabwe. Her social media presence frequently highlights these initiatives under the motto #GiveToGain, encouraging a culture of community giving. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.